Hey everybody, this is my CJ7 Limited Edition. I'm going to put the steering wheel back on. I had an old wood grain steering wheel, but I actually want to put the original steering wheel, which is this blue, which comes with the Limited Edition, back on. Got all the parts for it. Some of them had to order, but finally found them all. So I'm going to start with the horn mechanism. Install that first. Now it comes with a spring, a shaft, and a little bushing. Put your spring in first, drop it down in there. Then you get your bushing and your shaft. That's going to go on top right here. Kind of push it down. That bushing seats in there. That mechanism right here for the shaft, when you push it down, that's what activates your horn. So you leave that just like that. Next you got this collar. It's going to go on there. And then you can put your steering wheel on. Now you have a hole here. This is where the hole goes. So you have to line that up with your horn. There you go. And then this collar, there's little indentations here for the 3 posts. You gotta line that up. And you got this little keeper here. Little plastic. Got 3 screws. Screws in here. You gotta line up the holes. That holds that collar up against your steering wheel. And you just screw it down. Now you have a washer. Unfortunately, I don't have the washer. I just have the nut. But it expands across, so I think it's going to be fine. So just crank down on the nut. And just snug it up. And you have this is actually a flex piece of metal. It's a spring. You got 3 holes here. And then there's a plastic bushing in here. You drop that down on it. And you got 3 screws. You got to line up screws and screw it down. It'll be a little easier than said than done. The spring tension. There you go. Try to get all three started first before you crank them down. Okay, after getting this plate on, you want to make sure this notch is in your top dead center. Because when you put your emelet horn emelet on, the front plate on, you got a little notch here. So your Jeep emblem is facing upwards. So another thing else you want to make sure is after you put this all on, you should be able to push this in and out. There's that plate underneath is a spring. You want to be able to push it in and out. Have a little spring to it because that's basically that is your horn mechanism. You push it in, you activate your horn. So you want to cap this off. Make sure everything lines up. Can't feel it catching that notch yet. Not latching in. There you go. Make sure everything lines up. There's your horn. I'll test it out, see if it works. Alright, got the battery hooked back up. There it is. Got the original steering wheel back on. That's one thing when I bought this, the owner had all the original parts. He changed out a couple things, which I mean, the nice wood steering wheel, grain steering wheel, that was nice too, but I want to try to put everything back as close as possible to the original limited edition. And he had all the parts to it. That's one reason I really wanted to buy this thing from him. Well, that's how you put a steering wheel on. CJ7, it's an 82 CJ7 Limited Edition. This is a tilt steering wheel column, but that's it. Horn works good. I'm happy. Thanks for watching.